YouTube's decision to drastically change the live stream for the convenience of users. San Francisco, YouTube has started testing vertical live streams in its app. Along with this, it also starts working on full screen option. The purpose of this may be to facilitate the making of shorts later. According to YouTube, live streaming in a vertical format will be a key experience for mobile users. It will scroll the live stream. Then it will be possible to easily see the funding features from the followers. Above all, the live stream will also be available in shorts. According to YouTube, vertical live content similar to Instagram will now appear on the app and desktop soon. Currently, YouTube's live stream is displayed in landscape or rectangular format, and many features are hidden in the app. But viewing comments and other details in vertical format would be a bit easier. Then by scrolling, you will be aware of other live streams happening at that time. YouTube introduced this format due to the popularity of shorts.